on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo. MKO All-Rounder is in the house.
In the Procyon Radio and Television, we break the news first and we analyze the news.
Thank you. The beauty of democracy is that those who win election today can lose it tomorrow. Tinubu. The President Bola Tinubu stated in his speech that we must never take democracy for granted. We must forever jealously guard and protect it like a precious jewel. For the people can never truly appreciate the freedoms and rights democracy guarantees them until they lose it. Nigerians not celebrating democracy. Atiku. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar says it is not democracy that the country is celebrating on its June 12th Democracy Day, formally marked on May 29. According to him, for Nigeria's democracy to be fully fledged, it must constantly evolve away from the current practice where the governing elite determines the outcome of elections. Don't eat KPOMO for now. Anthrax disease in KPOMO. The federal government of Nigeria raises alarm over the outbreak of a disease known as anthrax, which is in the West African sub-region, and urge Nigerians to stop eating KPOMO for now. MK All-Rounder. The president says that the beauty of democracy is that those who win election today can also lose election tomorrow.
I love that from our president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I love that. We know in democracy is very beautiful.
Those who win elections today
can lose tomorrow. That is the beauty of democracy. And again, I heard our president say that the democracy is very beautiful. I applaud him for that. It's very beautiful. Democracy is beautiful. You can't compare democracy with a military regime. If not for democracy, who will drive Buhari away from Nigeria now? We don't have Babangida that can drive Buhari away, if not democracy. Because what we went through Buhari's regime, I understand, is too much for Nigeria. But we thank the democracy. After 8 years, they went. So today we are enjoying another new president. So that is the beauty of democracy. I applaud him for that. It's a good statement from our president.
Thank you very much. And Nigerians not celebrating democracy. Atiku.
Who is saying that?
Atiku.
We are celebrating democracy. And if Atiku now, in his own opinion, think that we are not celebrating democracy, that means that's June 12th. Yes, it's to his opinion. Because when you look at June 12th, what is June 12th? June 12th is the day that Babangida annulled free and fair election. So if a day is speaking that they annulled the free and fair election and we are celebrating it, that they didn't annul our February 25, 2023, they didn't, and we are now celebrating the one they annulled. It's okay. June 12th, Democracy Day. Top. That is to your opinion. What I know is that the federal government has marked this day, June 12th, as a Democracy Day. Maybe it can change in the future. We don't know, but today is June 12th.
All right. Don't eat KPOMO for now. Anthrax disease is in KPOMO.
So, don't eat KPOMO. If you are telling federal government, because I know that the federal government so love for so much, that he gave his beloved removal of petroleum subsidy, that petroleum subsidy now made some people to trek 20 kilometers, 5 kilometers per day. And now that the command that we after the trekking we reach home, the command that we take to relieve ourselves, now ANTHRAX, I be wetin you call the name, we say it's worrying command. The time where ANTHRAX, wetin you call am, ANTHRAX, if ANTHRAX disease is troubling command. Now lis ten, during bird flu to the chicken, we survive it. Because we are still developing country in this our society. When you are telling us that we should not eat pomo, what will we eat? Do we have money to buy anybody that you are seeing eating pomo? Is it because it's not, there's no too much to buy chicken or the other meat?
No. But pomo is also a delicacy.
It's a delicacy when it is waiting there for inside the like dapper. If federal government is discouraging us from eating pomo because they make foreign money from exporting pomo to, that's for leather, screen leather to do shoe. Now it's well agreed that we agree with that, but to be telling us that one disease, which disease?
ANTHRAX disease.
Even COVID-19 when they come, wetin do Nigeria? The other time chicken pox, wetin they call am, that
monkeypox.
Monkeypox, wetin e do us? We still dey eat meat. So this one now, dem no eat pomo because of ANTHRAX disease. So we will not go eat am, but now as the time be now, there's no money in the town, so we still manage pomo. So if you are telling us not to eat pomo, we will be avoiding pomo, but we are still eating pomo. Address it, I'm waiting to call the name. You can't do us anything. We are black Nigeria.
Thank you, MKO All-Rounder. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agwon.